In this video, I'll show you how to build this beautiful and fully working steps tracking app for iOS using the Core Motion framework. When you launch the app, it will detect whether your iPhone is in motion and start the counting. So it will start counting when you have your phone in your hand or in your pocket while walking. You can find the source code in the description of this video. So let's start by adding this prompt in Bitrig and wait for the AI agent to start generating the code for the fully working steps counting application. I will minimize the sheet to test the app we just generated. While your phone is not in motion, the counting is not going to work. So it only works when you start walking and the phone is in your pocket or when you have the phone in your hand. So at this point, I was having the phone in my pocket. Although we have a fully working steps tracker, we don't have any option to save past activities. So what we are going to do next for this application is to add additional feature for saving the steps tracking for a particular period. So let's add a follow-up prompt to add this feature. So when a step activity is done, it must be saved in a toolbar item. It must contain the date, time, and other relevant information. The coding agent is going to modify the code to add the feature. So let's look at what it is going to produce. I'll start the app again, put my phone in my pocket and start walking to a certain distance in order to get some steps counted and stop the app. So I will continue walking until I get about 30 steps. So when we look at the top right of the app, it added the timer icon to check your past activities. So once I stop the app, we are going to check whether that works or not and ask for further modification if there is the need. So let's tap the timer button on the top right to see the changes it made. It added all the functionalities, however the UI isn't good. It added the date, time, the number of steps, distance, and the number of calories burned. Let's take a screenshot of the UI issue and attach it in a follow-up prompt to ask the AI agent to fix it. So I will attach it to the compose area and describe the issue. So let's wait for a moment for it to do all the modifications and generate the final solution. It is now ready, so I'll minimize the sheet to test it again. So I'm going to tap the timer icon on the top right. That wasn't successful, so let's add a follow-up prompt. So I will tell the agent that the liquid glass shape is still clipping the content, so it has to add some padding. It could be that the prompt I added previously wasn't so clear with the attachment. I will drag the sheet again from the full screen mode. Now the UI issue has been fixed.